Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Fundamentals. Let's continue on solving some vectors, and here we are going to start with the part A of this question. Under A, we are requested to find a vector from P to Q. How should I move from P to Q? I'll have the negative of OP plus OQ. OP to be negative 2, the vector P plus OQ for vector Q. And it's done. Let's go to part B. Part B is saying PX. Remember, PX, it is said to be on the same line with the XQ. So their ratio, the total ratio is 3, because you add 1 and 2, it will be 3. Out of that ratio, PX takes one share. PQ, that is the total ratio, it will be 3 over 3. So you've made an equation. Then do the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 3, which is 3. Some say cross multiply. So it will be 3px is equal to pq. Make px subject to the formula by again multiplying both sides by the multiplicative inverse of 3. So which means we are dividing both sides by 3. This side will only remain with px, then this side it will be pq over 3. Px is equal to, where there is pq, I will just replace it with the vector that we found, which is 4 vector p, 4 vector q minus 2 vector p over 3. Part C, which is OX. OX, let's check on the diagram. How should I move from O to X? Here I can use this OP, which is O vector P, plus PX, which we've just found. OP I know is 2 vector P plus 4 vector Q minus 2 vector P over 3, which is PX. Then from here, we can use what we call the common denominator. So you can say 3 times 2p there, it will be 6 vector P plus 4Q minus 2, then over 3. Okay, 6 vector P minus 2p, it will be 4 vector P plus 4 vector Q over 3. Finally, we can simplify this to say, if we want, we can pull a 4 out, then inside we remain with vector P plus vector Q, then everything over 3. In the second part, we are requested to show that CQ is equal to 4, open the brackets, 1 minus h over 3, then vector Q minus 4 h vector P, everything here over 3. So from C to Q, I'll have negative OC plus OQ. Now, OC has been given to say it is H or X, the vector OX. We already have the vector OX, we found it. It is here. Let me show you. This is the vector OX, or this format, but we are going to go with this format there. Okay, so let's get OX there. So say CQ is equal to negative H O X plus OQ. Let's substitute them. I will have here negative H times 4 vector P plus 4 vector Q, everything we divided by 3, then plus OQ is 4 vector Q. Apply the H with what is inside the brackets, plus 4 vector Q. So let me group those vectors that have at least some similarities. So this is what I'll do: 4 vector Q minus 4 H over 3 the vector Q minus 4 H vector P over 3. These first terms I can simplify them or factorize them. What is common here is 4 vector Q. Then here will remain with 1, here will remain with H over 3 minus 4 H vector P over 3. Let us now see the format the original one they want to compare, because basically we are almost done here. So they want us to show it this way. Okay, let us see if we can arrive at this answer using what we found. This is how you do it. This 4 and Q, they both multiply what is in the bracket. It doesn't matter, either they are here or it can be here, they will still multiply. So that is what we are going to do here. So I'll just separate them. So I'll say 4 over 1 here minus H over 3, and the vector Q, I'll put it here, minus 4 H over 3 vector P.